Love is my answer. One-word answer. Love. Show love, give love, share love. Well, that's more than one word. I'm editor-in-chief of the Journal of Childhood Obesity. There's a lot that could be said on this topic about the specifics of diet and physical activity and potential underlying causes of overweight or obesity in children and so forth. But there's that vast literature, and in fact, I'm now collating the domain about childhood obesity for about.com. I'll provide that link here. So lots of places to go to get lots of detailed information on this topic. But I really think it begins and ends with love. If you're worried about a child's weight in a way that isolates that child, that potentially undermines the self-esteem of that child, I think that's a big mistake. But I think any parent who is genuinely concerned about weight affecting the health of their child, if the child's very young, can intervene on their behalf. If the child's a little bit older, can say, I'm concerned that your weight may affect your health, and I can't let that happen because I love you. And then love also indicates that the right solution is to approach this together, not put a child on a diet, but to eat well together, to be active together. This is something that the family has to do. In unity there is strength, there's no isolation, it's not damaging the self-esteem, it's the right way to go about it. And the other critical issue here is that the focus needs to be on health rather than weight per se. Frankly, I think most of us care what we see when we look in the mirror, but the real reason to be concerned about weight in a child or in the population is because it affects health. So as a loving parent, you have every right to say, this is potentially a threat to the well-being of my child. It will compromise their happiness, their vitality, the years in their life and the life in their years, and it's my job to protect my child from anything that threatens them. You approach it that way, out of love and devotion. And we're in this together. To your son, to your daughter, we're going to take care of one another because we love one another. I want you to be healthy. I want you to have the longest, best, happiest life possible. And anything that potentially threatens that, I'm going to confront for you and with you. We're in this together. The mistake I see families make is to isolate the overweight child, think about putting him or her on a diet. If it's an advanced problem, medical treatment's required. But if we're talking about early stages of overweight, begin and end your approach to it with love and solidarity, and all will be well.